everyone, so I just wanted to show you how I do my rice water. I use the ferment method. So what I do is I normally use any kind of rice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use speckled rice. It's also for me, it doesn't really matter. I just take this one because I use this one for myself. So what I do is I normally take a third of a cup and then I pour it in here. You don't have to measure if you don't want to, but I choose to measure because I don't like to waste product. So I just do this and then I pour it into a normal container and then I add some water, 1 cup of water, and then what I do is I just clean my rice. I like to clean my rice because of the way they made the rice, so I just want to wash off all of the stuff that went onto the rice during the time when it was manufactured. Can you see how the water looks like? So all of that dirt that was in the rice, you just want to get it out. Okay, once that is done, then I'm just going to rinse this out and put in some more water. So normally people use like water that they buy at the shop, but I think normal water that comes out of the tap we still drink it. I don't mind. For me, that's not important. And then you take your jar and then you put in the water mixture with rice and you pour it over into your jar. And then you just scoop it over like that. Just have to take all my rice. Okay. And then you are just going to close your jar. And you're just going to leave it like that. So most people, what they normally do is they like to add on essential oils or peels, orange peels or whatsoever, but because I don't have that at the moment, I'm just going to use the normal water and rice method, and then I'm going to leave this for 2 weeks because the longer you leave it, the better it is and the better it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fermented water that I fermented for 2 weeks 2 weeks ago, and then I'm going to do my washing method, and then we'll see exactly how the consistency looks like and how my hair reacts to it.